Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We're going to continue with page 9 on the PDF, and we're going to be asking the question Man hada. Use the word man for humans, ma for non-humans, man for humans. So man hada, who is this? Man hada, who is this? Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. Man hada, who is this? Hada waladun. This is a boy. Man hada, who is this? Hada talibun. This is a student. Ahada waladun. Is this a boy? La, hada rajulun. No, this is a man. Ma hada? Hada masjidun. What is this? This is a masjid. Man hada? Who is this? Hada tajirun. This is a merchant. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Ahada kalbun? Is this a dog? La, hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Hada himarun. This is a donkey. Ahada himarun? Is this a donkey? La, hada hisanun. No, this is a horse. And for horse, another word is commonly used, farasun. Wama hada? What is this? Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Ma hada? What is this? Hada dikun. This is a rooster. Man hada? Who is this? Hada mudarrisun. This is a teacher. Ahada qamisun? Is this a shirt? La, hada mindilun. The exercise, it tells us again, Iqra waktub, read and write. These words, you should have come across them already. Let's go through them. Ma hada? Hada qalamun. Hada kalbun. This is a dog. Man hada? Who is this? Hada tabibun. This is a doctor. Hada jamalun. This is a camel. Ahada kalbun? Is this a dog? La, hada qittun. No, this is a cat. Ahada dikun? Is this a rooster? Na'am. Yes. Ahada hisanun? Is this a horse? La, hada himarun. This is a donkey. Hada mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Ahada waladun? Is this a boy? Na'am. Yes. Man hada? Who is this? Hada rajulun. This is a man.